Hey bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I'm drinking is vodka and Welch's mango twist. It has been a while since I've had this combination. If you remember from if you watched those videos, yeah, that's the nostalgia that we're going for. So go ahead, grab your drink and then come back and let's have this conversation. So for today's video, as you can see from the title, is going to be do not sleep with a guy who will not eat you out. I don't know how many of you follow me on Instagram, but I have been talking about this particular topic for a couple of weeks now. Up until today's what? Tuesday? Monday I was talking about this, and I might even continue talking about it throughout the week. So if you do follow me on Instagram and then you're just watching this video now, then you know where I'm coming from. I also was a part of this event called Art Basel-ish. Have you ever told a girl you don't give head? No? You probably... Were you born in Jamaica?
That's why. Boy, you're not even a real Jamaican, boy. You're not even a real Jamaican. Because a real Jamaican man wouldn't even have got up here. That's what I'm going to tell you right now. A real dread would have been like, yeah, I ain't even here. I'm about to go smoke. Because they talking some crazy shit I don't know.
And I was prompted to speak at the event, and this is the topic that I spoke on. Not everybody is into receiving cunnilingus, but I feel like if you're with someone who you can't do everything with, you should not be with that person. If you cannot sit on that person's face at least one time in your relationship, that's not the person for you. Again, it might not be your cup of tea, but let's say you want to try a different position one night. What if you are in the mood for some head from your partner? What if you do want to be eaten out before you actually have sex? I feel like if you're going to be with somebody who does not give you head, you should not give them head either. Because it's going to be like a one-sided relationship. They're going to feel like, okay, I'm getting all the head in the world and I don't have to do anything for this girl. I can get away with other things as well. You know, do you understand where I'm coming from? I feel like if you're going to be with someone sexually, there should be no bars hold or no holds barred with what you can do or what you want to do. I'm just saying, like for me, head is like an appetizer to the main course. It's like a sampler. It's like it's like tapas. It's a little something to warm up your appetite before you get into the act of, sex. If you disagree with what I'm saying, leave it in the comment section below, because like I said, I know not every female enjoys receiving head. Believe it or not, there are some girls out there. There are some girls who feel like, oh, if the dick game is great, he doesn't have to give head. Sure, he doesn't have to do it every single time, but like I said, if you can't do everything with the person that you're with, why are you with them? You feel me? If you're giving him head, why shouldn't he give you head? To me, that's selfish. It's selfish. That's just how I feel. If you feel otherwise, leave it in the comment section below. If you feel the same, leave it in the comment section below. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comment section below. If you have a question that you're too embarrassed to ask if you have a question that you're too embarrassed to leave in the comment section, my email is in the description bar. Shoot me an email. I'll respond as soon as possible. But thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. That was a loud kiss just now.